Aloha! It's Miss Zoe here, and I am going to go through some sweet potato information with you guys today. Because it is April 27th, and the moon phase is Kukolu. And that is a really good day for planting things. So huli or slips planted today will produce 3 shoots. Kukolu means to stand in threes. So today and tomorrow, the kupau moons are really good for planting your sweet potato cuttings. So if you still have yours from last week, whether they're, maybe you had them in a jar, like this, or maybe you just had them lying out, like these ones, or maybe you still have yours in the bag. If yours are in the bag, there's a couple of things you're going to want to do before you plant your sweet potatoes. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull off any of these yellowing leaves. And something that I learned last week from Kay Howe was that if you have any of these little white roots, you actually want to peel those off before you plant them in the ground. That just ensures that your roots are really strong when they go into the soil. And we're not killing the plant, we're just breaking off these little roots and encouraging it to grow more once it gets in the soil, so that it has roots that are adapted to those conditions. Here we go. So you've got a couple of your slips, you've peeled off the yellow leaves, you've peeled off any of the little white roots, and now you're ready to plant these in the ground.